Now I am going to begin chapter 3. Chapter 3. Expansion. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here, we will see some formulae here. First is a plus b whole square, means when you will expand this, what will you get? So we know that it is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And how will you find that? Also you can see. This is a plus b whole square. It is a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b. It's clear? So now you multiply this a with this bracket. इस a को इस bracket के साथ multiply करें. This you have done this type of plus b into this bracket. So it will be a into a on opening the bracket, a square, a into b, ab, b into a. What will be b into a?
B square.
AB.
What? It will be b into a, ba, but we can write it as ab. क्यों? क्योंकि चाहे तुम 2 into 4 लिखो या 4 into 2 लिखो, both are same. So b into a is ba, but we will write ab because already there is one ab, and b into b, b square. So this will be equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is clear? But we will directly know what is the expansion of a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Is clear? Similarly, if there is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, then it will be a square plus b square, and here it will be minus 2ab. Here it will be minus 2ab. It's clear? So about these formulae you have already studied. Have you studied these formulae or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Formulae you have already studied. Now see here, you take one example. For example, 3x plus 1 upon 4y whole square. You have to expand it. How will you expand? So we will expand by using this formula. By using the formula, we will expand. You compare it by this formula, by the formula number A, 1. You compare this thing with the formula number 1. What it will be in place of A? Who can tell?
3x का whole
3x.
square.
No. What is in place of A? I am asking in place
3x.
of
3x.
3x.
in place of plus, there is plus. In place of plus, there is plus. What is in place of B?
1 upon 4y.
4y.
1 upon 4y. So you substitute here. When you will substitute a square, that is 3x ka whole square. You don't write this way, 3x square. It's clear? 3x square means there is the square of x only, not of the 3. It's clear? When you are writing this way, that is not correct, because here there is only the square of x, not of 3. That's why you will place it inside the bracket. Then b square plus b square, that is 1 upon plus 2 into 3x into 1 upon 4y. You have substituted. Now 3x ka whole square. What does it mean? Means 3x into 3x. So what will you get 3x into 3x?
9x square.
9x square.
9x square. Then 1 upon 4y ka whole square. 1 upon 4y ka whole square means 1 upon 4y into 1 upon 4y. Square means multiply the same thing 2 times. Square means multiply the same thing 2 times. So 1 1 ja 1, 4 4 ja
16
16y
square. 16y square.
Plus here you can see 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So this will be 3x upon 2y. This is the expansion of 3x plus 1 upon 4y ka whole square. It's clear? Expansion of 3x plus 1 upon 4y ka whole square. It is clear? So these are the two formulae. Now you can see one more. There is one more special type of expansion. Here it is a plus 1 upon a whole square. A plus 1 upon a whole square. So see here, what will be a plus 1 upon a whole square? That also you can do by the using the same formula. What will you get in place of a?
A square.
A.
In place of a, I am asking.
Sir,
What will be in place of a? यहाँ पर a के a. In place of b,
1
1 upon A.
1 upon a. So you can write here, it is a whole square plus 1 upon a plus 2 into a into 1 upon a. When you will further simplify, so it is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So this is the expansion of a plus 1 upon a whole square. Now you can see a minus 1 upon a. So a minus 1 upon a, it will be a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. It's clear? These are the two special type of expansions based on a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. It is clear? A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So this is formula number 3 and this is the formula number 4. It is clear? Then there is one more. Don't say yes sir in between. It's clear, because then audio will be disturbed. जब जहां जरूरत हो वहीं बोलो. Now see here. Now there is one more. A plus b into a minus b. Suppose in one bracket there is the sum of two terms. There is sum of two terms, and in the other bracket there is the difference of the same two terms, and both brackets are in the product. इस तरीके से हो, then it will be equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. For example, you can see here. Here you can see, suppose it is x plus 1 upon 4y into x minus 1 upon 4y. If you compare it, it is exactly like this. It is exactly like this. What will you get in place of A?
X.
And in place of B?
1 upon
1
4y.
upon 4y.
1 upon 4y. So it will be x whole square minus 1 upon 4y ka whole square. That is x square minus 1 upon 16y square. 1 upon 16y square. Now you take one more. Here 5 plus 5 minus 3 upon x. 5 plus 3 upon x. How will you do this? Whether it is of that form or not, whether this thing is of this form or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only the difference is, अब यहां पर माइनस वाला ब्रैकेट पहले लिख दिया गया एंड प्लस वाला बाद में. It's clear? But as you know that in multiplication you can write in any way, a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. Both will be equal to a square minus b square. Both will be equal to a square minus b square. It is clear? So see here. You can see here. What is in place of a here?
5.
5.
And in place of b?
3x.
3 upon x.
3 upon x. So it will be 5 square minus 3 upon x whole square. And you will mention the formula also. While you will solve, you will write the formula also. It is clear? Here I have not written because it is written there. So 5 square, that is 5 square
25.
25.
minus what is 3 by x ka whole square?
9 upon x square.
9 upon x square.
9 upon x square. It's clear? This. So this is one formula. So now you can see one more formula. Now this formula we can remember in the other way also. What is the other way? We can write factors of a square minus b square. It will be a plus b into a minus b. Means अगर ये पूछा जाए what are the factors of a square minus b square, it will be a plus b into a minus b. It is clear? Factors of a square minus b square. Now what will be a square minus 1 upon a square? A square minus 1 upon a square. So if you compare, you will find that what will be in place of a?
A square.
A square. What is in place of a?
A square.
Not a square. It is a only. A के place पर a है. What is in place of b?
1 upon a.
1 upon a. It's clear? In place of a, there is a. In place of b, there is 1 upon a. So what will be a plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a. a plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a. So that also you will remember. It's clear? This is the a square minus 1 upon a square equals to a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. Now you see one more. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. So what is the formula? It is a cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b cube. A cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b cube. It is clear? Now, how will you deduce this formula? How will you deduce this formula? कैसे इस फार्मूले को डिड्यूस करेंगे, निकालेंगे? हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये इसके बराबर है? So see here, how will you do? You can write it in this form: a plus b into a plus b whole square. A plus b into a plus b whole square. It is clear? Now you can write it further: a plus b. In the other bracket, you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It is clear because already you have done this. A plus b whole square equals to this, that already I have explained. It is clear? Now what will you do? You will multiply a with this bracket. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you multiply with b. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I'm opening the bracket. A into a square, a cube. A into 2ab.
2a square b.
It will be 2a square b. Then a into b square, ab square plus. You can see here b into a square. So you will
AB
write
square.
a square b. पहले a square, a का टर्म लिखेंगे क्योंकि a पहले आता है, b क्या आता है बाद में. So that's why we will write a first and then b afterwards. First you write a and then you write b. Then b into 2ab. So it will be b into 2ab, 2ab square, and then b into b cube. It is clear? Now you simplify a cube. If you see here, these are the like terms. This and this are like terms. 2a square b plus a square b equal to how much?
3a square b.
It will be 3a square b. Then you can see this and this is also like term. ab square and 2ab square. These are also like terms. So it will be 3ab square plus b cube. It's clear? So what will be common in between these two terms? इन दोनों टर्म में से क्या कॉमन है? So if you see here, a cube, you can take 3ab common. When you will take 3ab common, here you will get a plus b cube. Means this is the formula. In expanded form, you can write it as this also: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube in the expanded form. In the expanded form, it will be this. It is clear? So this is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b plus b cube. Now if you have to write a minus b whole cube, you can see that also. A minus b whole cube. So when there is a minus b whole cube, here all the terms will become, all the signs will become minus. In this, all the sign will become minus. Plus sign you will replace by minus sign. That is a cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b cube. It's clear? But if you open this, on opening, what will you get?
मुझे देखने दो पहले।
इसमें नहीं है, आप दिखाइए ले जाके।
अर्णव तिवारी बहुत डिस्टरबेंस कर रहे हो। a cube minus 3a square b minus minus plus 3ab square minus b cube. So in the expanded form, it is this. It is clear? So these are the expansions of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. It's clear? Now you see one more expansion. Suppose you have to find expansion of a plus 1 upon a whole cube. You compare this with this, whether it is like that or not. Whether a plus 1 upon a whole cube is like that or not. It is like that. It's clear? What is in place of a? What is in place of a?
A.
What is in place of b?
1 upon A.
1 upon a. In place of a, there is a, and in place of b, there is 1 upon a. It's clear? इस a के place पर यहाँ पर a है. In place of b, there is 1 upon a. So you substitute here the same thing. A के place पर a, b के place पर 1 upon a. So it will be a cube plus 3 into a into 1 upon a. Within bracket a plus 1 upon a. Plus in place of b, there is 1 upon a whole cube. So when you will expand it, it will be a cube. A and a cancel. Plus 1 upon a cube. This is the expansion of a plus 1 upon a whole cube. In the same way, a minus 1 upon a whole cube. It will be a cube minus 3 within bracket a minus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a cube. So that also we will remember. This also we will remember. It is clear? Now see here, there is one more type of special product. You can see this is 8. A plus B into a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b in one bracket, in the other a square minus ab plus b square. So this is equals to a cube plus b cube. If you multiply, you will get the same thing. Multiply, you will get the same thing. A plus b within bracket a square minus ab plus b square equals to a cube plus b cube. And there is one more, a minus b within bracket a square plus ab plus b square, that will be a cube minus b cube. This is equals to a cube minus b cube. It's clear? This we can learn in the other way also. Factors of a cube plus b cube. What will be the factors of a cube plus b cube? It will be a plus b in one bracket. In the other bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. What will be the factors of a cube minus b cube? A minus b in one bracket. In the other bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. Whether it is clear? This thing is clear. Now see here. You find out a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So see here, you compare this thing with this. What will you get? What is in place of a?
A.
What is in place of b?
1 upon a.
1 upon a. B cube, and here it is 1 upon a cube. So b equals to 1 upon a. So see here, you substitute here a plus b, तो a के place पर तो a ही है, b के place पर 1 upon a. In the other bracket, a के place पर a square. Then a in place of b 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. When you will simplify, what will you get? A plus 1 upon a, and in the other bracket a square minus 1 plus 1 upon a square. It's clear? So this is a cube plus 1 upon a cube. A cube plus 1 upon a cube. Now suppose you have to write a cube minus 1 upon a cube. So it will be a minus 1 upon a in one bracket. In the other, a square plus 1 upon a square. Now all of you open your book.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Now voice is coming or not?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is coming. Now see here. So today you will do some.
Can I go and look at it, it's a please,
In exercise 3.1, you will do up to the question number 9.
Mine's complete.
In exercise 3.1, you will do up to the question number 9. It is clear? Now you can take one more example, which is very important that I have not told. You can see here. A plus B plus C whole square. It is equal to what? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 within bracket AB plus BC plus CA. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus C square within bracket plus 2 within bracket AB plus BC plus CA. That also you will remember. It is clear? Now you can see here one more example. The formula, not example. You can see the formula. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. It will be equal to, in one bracket, A plus B plus C, in the other, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. It's clear? Minus AB minus BC minus CA. It is clear? You will remember A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equals to A plus B plus C in one bracket. In the other, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now, if A plus B plus C equals to 0, then what will be? You can see here A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. When you will place 0 here, what will you get? जब यहाँ 0 रखेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
0.
0. It will become 0. Means A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. So see here, this thing we can remember in this way. If A plus B plus C equals to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. It will be equal to 3ABC. That we will remember. So now I have told all the formulae here. You can see in your book. Have you seen these formulae? दिखाई दे रहे होंगे.
Yes, sir.
ये सबको क्या है याद कर लेने हैं ना. Here only this one you can left formula number 7. Formula number 7 only you can left. It's clear that we will do directly. It's clear. We will not remember. समझ में आ गया? Rest
sir.
you will learn. Then you do up to the question number 9 in 3.1. So questions I will explain you tomorrow. Now one more thing, all of you make your homework notebook, and in that homework notebook you do all the questions of every exercise. Up to now I have taught you 2 chapters. It is clear? So you will do all the questions of each and every exercise. If you are not getting, you may ask. In first chapter there are 5 exercises, and in the second chapter there are only 2 exercises. That is 2.1 and 2.2. 2.3 growth and depreciation. It is not now in your course. That is not now in your course. It's clear? So okay. So now tomorrow you will once again join and do.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.